Hello everyone, welcome to my channel So Delicious. Today's recipe is a requested one, that is red velvet cake. So without any further ado, let's start. Take 40 grams of 4 tablespoons of butter. This butter is at room temperature. You can also add oil instead of butter and whisk it nicely. Now add 1 cup and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. You can increase or reduce the amount of this powdered sugar and mix it till you get this crumbly texture. Now I'm going to add 1 cup and 1/4 cup of buttermilk. This buttermilk is made up of milk and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. I'm going to keep the remaining 1/4 cup of milk aside and give it a good mix. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence and give it a mix. In a sifter, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This isn't 1 tablespoon, it is 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. So I've sifted it and I'm going to mix it properly. You can add the remaining buttermilk if you need. So I've added it and I'm going to make it to this consistency, a flowing batter consistency. At this moment, add 1 teaspoon of red food gel color, and then I'm going to divide this into 4 equal parts in a bowl. Here it is. Now one by one, I'm going to pour it to the pan. Remember, the flame must be at the lowest. Once you pour, cover it with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes on the lowest flame. So the first layer is ready. I'm going to take it out carefully. Similarly, make all other layers. I'm sorry, I did not handle this layer properly and that is why it broke. So I've placed it on the bottom and besides, I've kept some butter papers. I'm going to add whipped cream on top. And yeah, do not forget to make all the layers same by cutting the edges. Now you can decorate as you need. I've placed another layer and whipped cream. So I've covered all the layers, I've stacked up all the layers and covered it with whipped cream. Also, I've saved some crumbs from the cake, from the edges of the cake, and I'm going to use the same for decorating the cake. Stick this on the edges. And on the top, I'm going to pipe some whipped cream. And the delicious red velvet cake is ready to serve. So you can see that whipped cream has started melting. So without wasting time, I'm going to cut this. Look how soft it has come. It cuts very easily. This is a must-try recipe. Anyone can make it. You don't need any oven, any kadhai, just a pan, and the beautiful cake is ready. do give this recipe a try, and if you do not forget to mention on my comment sections. Bye bye.